Hello my beautiful fashionistas, welcome back to my channel and thank you for always tuning in to watch my videos. So today I will show you all an AI tool, an AI app that will help you to create models for your dresses, and we are using ChatGPT for that. Okay, first head to your phone and download ChatGPT from your app store, then click on ChatGPT and here you paste the prompts that you want the ChatGPT to work on. Okay, this is what I want the ChatGPT to work on. I said give me a beautiful black African model with a natural hair packed up to wear my outfit. Let's have wear same color of this outfit, same puff sleeves, same transparent heels, no changing. Just walk around and make use of a brain to get a beautiful prompt for what you want ChatGPT to work on. Okay, then you click on send. Okay, once you're done doing that, ChatGPT will analyze your prompt and then you click on that plus sign there, upload the particular image that you want the model to model for you. Okay, once you click on it, you allow it to load and you click on send. You see the arrow going up, that is sent. So what ChatGPT will do here, ChatGPT will analyze this your outfit and we take permission from you before it proceed to generate the model for you, right? So here, after analyzing the outfit and you agree with what they analyzed, you just click on yes or you type yes. They said here, would you like me to generate this image for you now? Just confirming before I proceed. Can you see? Then you type yes. If you don't like what they analyze, you can change the prompt or change whatever you don't like. Okay, so once you're done clicking on that yes, ChatGPT will start generating model to model that's your particular outfit. Okay, you need to exercise patience. Now let's go. So this is the model they generated for me. Compare this model, compare the outfit that I drop. Just scroll up and check. This is the outfit that I drop and this is the model slaying the outfit for me, and this is exactly what I posted, what I sent for ChatGPT to work on. Okay, that's just very simple. Just play around with your prompt. Firstly, I asked ChatGPT to get me a model with natural hair packed up to wear my outfit. You can decide to ask ChatGPT putting on wig or so whatever. They said got it. They analyze the art, they analyze the write-up, analyze whatever. Then they will proceed to ask you to drop the image or drop the outfit that you want the model to slay on, and you drop it. Once you drop it, they will analyze the outfit and ask you for them to proceed, and you said yes, and voila, this is what they are going to give you. If you don't like it, you can still rewrite your prompt for you to get exactly what you need. So for you to save it, click on that particular image and you see all this right up, you click on save and to save direct to your gallery. That is it. You can just play around, ask ChatGPT whatever you want the model to slay for you. That's it.